Festival, the tribes, Nagaland and the greenery.
Yeah, same.
Same.
This is a beautiful homestay, and you can see the hill. That's the sunset. This is east. Hey. This time I think I got the vlogging part right. Oh, I'm in Kohima, by the way. Fire space. That's a viewpoint. Wow, this is crazy. Come. Cute. Hello. I'm staying over there. I'm at the Kisama Heritage Village, and I met a senior from school. It is so amazing. We're gonna, I mean, it's a small world. So, can you hear that sound? Crazy, crazy. I'm so looking forward to capturing that. Anyways, coming back, so I met the senior, and he's the organizer here. One of the organizers, and he's gonna get me in for the rest of the events. So solo travel has its perks. This is the first time doing a solo here in Northeast. Hoping for the best. Hello, Dada. Pose did Dada. Which tribe? Uchore, yes, nice dress. Thank you. See you. Thank you.
Introduce to you special gift for today. Ancient Marshal 86 Param Vishish Seva Medal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal, Chief of the Air Staff. And he is being adorned with a Naga shawl, a dao and a spear.
Afterward, the beating of the log drum is performed, in which the beat of the victorious campaign is wholeheartedly beaten. players to give attention to the jubilant beats of the drums, accompanied by cries from the market or the warrior. This dance portrays the joyous abundance enjoyed by all during the festive season.
and sometimes tell stories of life as a partner. The main purpose of singing a world song is to encourage one another, synchronizing thought and action. It is believed that singing while blowing the fuse of the all-other expenses manually boosts energy and overall spirit of community. In olden times, farmers worked on the thread of grains by hand, and the song was about the road and land. They are written down for years ago.
I came here to meet like your Mora. There's so many of them. So in just one day I met like 6, 7. So tomorrow also I'm coming and I hope you guys perform again. Absolutely. Do you guys do headhunting?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. So how many tribes actually do headhunting?
All of the tribes.
All of them? Oh, that's interesting. We didn't know that. Anyway, thank you so much. चप्पल हो गया साइज
is the new recently recognized by the government of Nagaland.
Sign off.